Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix enable to verify update in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Delete old firmware. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap General. On the General page, tap iPhone Storage. iPhone Storage page, scroll down, tap iOS 16, tap Delete Update. Again delete update. Solution number 2. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset network setting. Enter your passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 3. Force restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Thanks for watching this video.